So here we go, another case video for the 15 Pro Max. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and here we are with a case collection from the guys at Nomad. Nomad, a big supporter of the channel, and thank you guys for sending these across for review. I feel you. This is initially what's available from Nomad at the moment. So we have the modern leather case, we have the modern leather folio, we have the new sport case which is in white, and we have the new rugged case in this nice new colour, which I'm a big fan of. So let's check these out. Oh. Whew, that was tough. So modern leather case, and this is the brown leather version. Lovely jubbly. Oh, look at that, metal buttons. Thank you, Nomad. Thank you. There was nice metal buttons came on the sport case last year, the limited edition versions, the high volta and stuff, and I thought it was so nice. So I'm glad to see metal buttons here. Here is the leather, this is the modern leather folio. Oh, it's got a removable magnetic clasp. Funky. All your wee cards, if that's the way you're sort of inclined. And also metal buttons. I like it. And the sport kit. Wow, look at that. Isn't that clean? That's so clean. Lovely. And finally, the rugged. And look at that. This case is made for my 15 Pro Max in blue titanium, which is the best color. Don't at me, bro. It's the best color. So there is all four of these cases, which is very, very nice. So first off, let's just get the scale in here and weigh these cases. So first up is the modern leather, which weighs in at 42 grams, which is about the norm for a decent case. So then the modern leather folio, 86 grams, which is understandable because that's a lot of leather that's on there. But it still doesn't feel like it feels pretty minimalistic. The sport case then, 40 grams, bang on. And then the rugged case is 50 grams on the button. Lovely. We'll start off with the modern leather. So this is the brown version, and there is other colors available on Nomad's website. I will show you on the screen here now. These are a very, very nice case. I reviewed these cases last year and they were very sleek, minimalistic, and they had a really good feel to them. And I'll show you some pictures. I actually gave one to my brother. So my brother is an engineer and he actually gets quite dirty day to day. So there's some pictures of how his English leather Nomad case has held up over the year. And do you know what? It's not bad considering the work that he does. It's really not bad. So this is the rustic brown. So very fresh, very clean, and you know what? That will patina and age really, really well. And here we have our buttons. So as you can see here, we've got our volume up and down buttons and our action button there, and these buttons are metal, as well as the lock button. We also have our Nomad branding here as well on the side, which is very nice. Cutouts in the bottom then, so we have a relatively big cutout here for the speakers and for the USB-C port. And yeah, that's really, really, really good. You know, you've got a good little bump there with to keep that speaker and port all protected, which is pretty nice. So yeah, on the whole, that's really, really nice. Let's check these buttons. Oh, perfection. I tell you, see, perfect, absolutely perfect. See, after trying multiple cases now with metal buttons, see, I can't go back. I need metal buttons in my life. They're just so good. That is a fantastic case. It is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There we go. And if you look at the screen lip then, you can see the lip does come up over the display. It's a minimal kind of lip, but there is still enough there to keep that display up off the surface. So when you set that down flat, it's not going to scrape and touch up that display, which is nice. And then on the back, camera bump as well. Lenses don't protrude out, and it's a good enough camera bump. So again, you set that down flat, it's not going to scuff up. The camera bump is plastic on this, so yeah, maybe would have liked to have seen metal, but it's nice, it does the job. But that's a very, very, very nice case. It feels really nice. Feels good and grippy, but minimalistic. It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Do you know what? I'm just gonna say it now. Apple, you have dropped the ball getting rid of your leather cases, because see the likes of Nomad and Andar especially, you guys are gonna make a killing with leather cases, because these are phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So let's MagSafe test this bad boy. So I've got some news, right? My trusty MagSafe stand, I broke it. I dropped it, broke the head off it. It's a sad day. But have no fear, because I have my trusty Joby. My trusty Joby MagSafe yoke here. And I will be able to do my MagSafe tests, because I've got a good MagSafe bit here. So, and it's a rubber-ended MagSafe Joby. Joby? Joby. Okay, I'm a geek. So we'll just slap this on here. I think from last year, the Nomad cases, the MagSafe was okay. It wasn't groundbreaking. It wasn't like Pataka levels or Kadabi levels of magnet strength, but it was okay. You know, if it was in the car and you put it on a mount, it wasn't gonna fall off. I would have liked it to have been a bit stronger, so I'm interested to see now if they're any stronger this year. So let's just try these out. And, oh. Do you know what? See, off the bat, that I can see a difference from last year. I would maybe like it still to be a little bit stronger, but do you know what? That's not bad. Whoops. Not really sure how I'm going to do my other MagSafe test, because the weight and angles of this thing's all wrong. Oh my rip. I'm making an absolute Horlicks of this. But you know what? That's decent enough. I do think it is a little bit better than last year though, because they were very, I don't like to say the word average, but they were enough. They were literally just enough. I do feel like they're a little bit better this year. So yeah, that's really nice. That's the modern leather. So this is the modern leather Folio case. Now, straight up, full disclosure, Folios, not really my bag. I don't really like this whole book thing, but I do have a lot of friends that really like that type of case, you know, they store their cards and stuff there, which is fine, you know, if that's what you like, that's what you like. Me personally, not really a fan, but I cannot deny the quality of this thing. I mean, microfiber lining on the inside, microfiber on the inside of the folio part as well. We've got this little magnetic clasp which you can remove, and there's install instructions there which we'll look at in a little bit. But yeah, you can put 3 cards in there. You've got a wee bit in there for cash. That's actually pretty good. So here we go. And yeah, because this is a folio case, there is going to be magnets in it. It is MagSafe case, as you can see there. But then it must also use the magnets in this little bit here. Yeah, because there's magnets there, so it must latch onto the MagSafe ring then, I would have thought, which is pretty cool. It's a nice little option. And again, it's something, sometimes you might not want that to close over, but if you want to, you've got the option here for this, which is pretty nice. Let's just look at this here. So install instructions. So we'll just scan this QR code. And modern leather folio. So there's supposed to be install instructions here. Nomad, sort it out. There's no instructions there, but it's all right. I'll figure this out by myself. So we have this little T bar type loop here, and then we've got a slit here in the leather, which you can see. So I would imagine that just somehow slides in like that. Yeah. So that just slides into that little slit like that, and then there you go. You've got your magnetic clasp, which then hooks onto the MagSafe ring, which is pretty cool. So if you like that sort of case, and then if it's not your bag, you can just remove that, which is pretty cool. So it just loops in there to where that wee sort of cash pouch. So it's just a little T-loop, and you can just take it back out again if you don't like it. That's nice. Options, I like that. So you've got your 3 card slots here, you know, for carrying cards. You can carry your cash in there too, which is nice. And it's all this lovely microfiber the quality is fantastic. You're not going to scuff up the back of your phone there, which is lovely. Then we have our metal buttons here as well. Action button, volume up and down, and the lock button. Really, really nice. And there you go, that's your English tan. So let's just pop the iPhone in there. And there we go. So we have our blue titanium iPhone. Goes alright, I think, with the English tan. Not too bad. And you know what? It's exactly the same as the previous case, only it's got this Folio part on it. So it's still slim and minimalistic and protective. And you've got that extra screen protection because that Folio will be closed. So that's not too bad. It really isn't. So, and it feels nice. The feel of leather is just really, really good. Buttons, really good. Lovely. So it's exactly the same as the last modern leather case. So the screen does come up over the display. So if you do set it down flat while it's open like that, you're not going to scuff up your screen. And then the camera bump then as well. Same thing. Plastic camera guard, and the lenses don't protrude. You set it down flat, it's all good. Really, really good quality. Do like it. MagSafe test this as well with my Joby yoke. My Joby. Right. Oh yeah, the magnets are pretty the same. Now I will say this is obviously pulling down a bit more weight on it, but I do have to give it a good shake to get that to come off. So it's decent enough, can't fault that at all. But yeah, if you're in the Folio cases, there is other colours on Nomad's website as well. I will show you them here on the screen. But that's the English tan version, very, very good quality. And again, another fantastic leather option. Apple, you've dropped the ball. Right, onto the sport case then. Sport case was one of the cases that I really did like last year as well. This is a nice shiny plastic. And same again, like the bumpers on these, all three of these cases I've shown are really, really good. They're all really consistent. Metal buttons, Nomad branding, same camera guard, like everything is exactly the same. It's just the finish on the back of them, if I'm being honest. So that's the white with the blue camera lenses coming through. Looks pretty sweet. It's very, very clean. I do like it. And again, cutouts for them for the USB-C port and the speaker holes. And yeah, buttons. Fantastic. I still can't get used to this action button, you know. I miss my wee rocker. So the back of it is, because it is a shiny plastic, it's very slippy. Part of me would like to see maybe a matte brushed type of finish on this type of case. I think that'd be really sweet. But do you know what? Sport case, always a classic, and I really like that. So let's just MagSafe test this yoke. Oh aye. No, those magnets are a big improvement over last year. Real good improvement over last year. Takes a good shake to get that off. It's not bad, you know. Not bad at all. So sport case as well is going to come in a variety of colours. I will show you them here on the screen. Unfortunately, I only have this version of it at the moment, but there's the other colours that are on the screen as well. So that's the sport case. And lastly, we have the rugged case. And look, that's a very, very nice match for the 15 Pro Max. Lovely blue. I like it. I like it a lot. And you know what? That'll match my Atlantic blue sport band as well. Last year as well, I got all the colours in this last year. I got the black, the green, the orange, which was lovely. Chef kiss. So the quality is exactly the same. All these cases have that lovely microfiber lining on the inside of them. This has raised edges at the corners on the back of the case, you know, for that drop protection. And yeah, I really do love it. For it being a rugged case, it's still pretty minimalistic. And I like that. That blue is lovely as well. It just goes so perfect with this blue iPhone, because blue titanium is the best colour. It is. Don't at me. I said it. So the buttons, again, perfect. Metal buttons. I'm spoiled. I can never not use metal buttons ever again. So screen lip. So the screen lip is a little more raised on this rugged case. which for obvious reasons. So you set that down flat, it's not going to rub up. And then also camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out, but you can also see here it's raised at the corners. So it is going to give you that extra bit of protection raised up. But also what you will notice, see, because those back corners are raised up, it doesn't rock, it sits level. See that? That's cool. So those lenses will never touch that surface, which is really good. And look at it, it's so nice. It's so pretty. Let's MagSafe test this one. Now on the rugged case last year, I was again like I'm like a broken record in this video, but I wasn't overly impressed with the magnets. I thought they could have been a bit stronger. So let's just see. There's no. Magnets are still a wee bit weak in this one. I'm sort of wondering, what is this mount? Oh, it is. Oh yeah, I see the bit on my Joby. It's those raised bars are not letting the magnet get its full strength. 2 seconds. Right, I've got a built-in car mount here, which hopefully will. There we go. So that's not touching the sides of that bar, so we should get better strength here. Yeah. That's better. That is better. Yeah, that's a lot better. I was panicking there because I was like, oh my god, all these other magnets are really good and this one's crap. But it's just those raised lips, thankfully. Yeah, look, that's a lot better. Whew! And it's quite fitting as well because that's a car mount, so that's maybe the kind of thing you're going to be using anyway. So that is the case lineup so far from the guys at Nomad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What is your favourite? Are you a leather fan? Are you looking forward to these modern leathers? This modern leather and the Folio? Or are you a sport case fan? You know, you want sleek, minimal, and you want that nice shiny case, funky? Or are you a rugged man like myself? Nice and big and rugged. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up any of these cases using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. So I'm gonna go. Keep it locked, channel guys. I have a lot more 15 Pro Max cases and accessories coming for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to see some more down-to-earth tech and accessory reviews, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.